Tracking IT assets through their lifecycle can quickly become unmanageable, and looking through it every day to know where stuff is, that just doesn't scale. Let's look at how an IT Asset Lifecycle dashboard can help you stay aware of assets, their locations, and so much more to make your work easier and decisions clearer. Hi, Matt Beran, Product Specialist at InvGate. Dashboards are a great tool to visualize and drill into the fleet, assets and states of your assets and infrastructure, and what better way to visualize the lifecycle status of your IT assets than graphically? You can still slice and dice your assets, but seeing it visually or highlighting assets that need attention can keep us from dropping the ball. To begin with, the goal of lifecycle tracking is to never lose a device and be able to make clear decisions based on your fleet and its status. For this dashboard, we will need to include some great visuals to represent the financial context of these assets. So, here are the things that I want to measure. Up on the top, we've got some basics. Utilization, show me which devices are online, a count of assets that are not in use, show me assets by category that have tickets open, and a quick shout out to the compliance here on the right, because these are the machines that don't have encryption turned on or it's not detected. So clearly we've got some work to do. In the next row, we have costs split up by location and cost center. It's just a quick way to see what costs are in which locations, which cost center is using up the most of our budget. And then below that, we've got a quick warranty status row too. This is super useful because warranty status is going to show me which machines I need to renew it for, which ones to be covered, and maybe which machines need to be replaced. And then the most important part, where we show the financial implications of replacements that are coming up. Now, what's really great about this is that this dashboard can be shared with anyone. And if they only have rights to see a specific location or a specific department data, the dashboard will only show the data that they have access to. For example, you might have a location lead or a key set of people who need to see your statistics real time in order to make great decisions in that location. Great for head nurses, great for supervisors, great for location managers. And this is great for the financial aspects of the life cycle. Now, we're going to look at the operational side of things. So I'm going to switch dashboards from this finance and compliance one that I created over to asset lifecycle. Now, this dashboard might look simpler because it is, but it's got some real power. We start off with the basic details about active assets. What is their health like? How many computers do I need that are currently being repaired? As well as a count of how many tickets are open for specific asset types. So this will show me, this switch one is probably really important because it's part of our network. So I'm going to open up that request and take a look at it. Down below, we've got a simple chart of assets not being utilized, as well as our stock levels for the various locations. So from these two charts, I can quickly see that we need to order keyboards in our HQ location because they're out. But here I see no stock. The only stock I see at HQ is computers. We don't even have stock in Texas, except for a car. So we need some mice and keyboards ordered and sent out to those locations. Also, look at how many critical machines we have on this health chart. This looks terrible. So I would pick one of these and start working on it. So I would pull up these specific assets, which shows us the computers that are unhealthy or a critical health status. And I can view those in Explorer. Now, I might export this list out and get a checklist going, or I might create tickets for each one. It kind of depends on how you want to do the work. To learn more about dashboards or get a free 30-day trial, please visit us at invgate.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon.